Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vig and I'm here to give you some tarot guidance today. So, we are going to do a pick a card reading, and the topic is going to be what do you need to heal to manifest all your blessings. So, I feel that this is a very different sort of topic. I think that we all have like a lot of things that we need to continuously work on and heal, including myself. So I just think that this reading will give you like a fresh perspective about what is it that's holding you back, or it's creating like a blockage for you to actually manifest your dream job, or maybe a commitment in your love life, anything that you truly desire. So let's get on with it. And all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number 1 or the number 2. So after you have chosen your number, let's see. Now we are going to start with the number 1, and for those who have chosen the number 1, I am getting that honor the cycles of your body, energy levels and emotions, and cycles and rhythms. Okay, so this is a quite interesting card. It's just telling me that maybe you have been continuously working too much or too hard, and the universe is just telling you that relax, take a little bit of break, take one thing at a time. I also feel that people who have chosen this number, maybe you have been continuously waiting for something big, and it's not happening just yet. I'm just sensing this message that it's not your time right now, but that does not mean it will not happen for you. You just need to take a little bit of break from everything that's going on, honor your body, relax, recharge, and I just feel that you need to enjoy life a little bit. I also see like this lady dancing over here, so it's making me feel that you need to enjoy the small victories, the small moments, the small achievements, instead of continuously focusing on what you haven't achieved yet. And that's how you will clear your blockages, that's how you will attract what's actually meant for you. I feel that the colors like lavender, blue, white, they are going to be lucky for you right now. And overall, I am just feeling that you need to respect your body, you need to respect yourself, and things will start working very soon for you, just not yet. And there is a reason why this is not happening just yet for you. Universe is making you wait for a very big reason. You will come to know about that in the coming time, but don't force or push for something to happen which is not yet ready to bloom, or it just needs a little bit of more time for this thing to come true for you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this message. Let's move on to number 2. So I am getting guiding children, and over here it's written that you are good at helping, counseling and healing children. Use your skills to help children now. Okay, so this could mean for certain people this could be a message about connecting more with children. So maybe you need to take up a job where you are continuously around children, or you are around that energy of innocence and that energy of happiness, joy. For a few of you, it's just making me feel that you need to heal your inner child. Okay, so your inner child is a part of you which was your younger version. So when we are small, we enjoy and take life so lightly. We are not even worried about what to do next, how to do this, how to do that. There are no responsibilities as such. You just run around in nature, you spend time with your friends, and the universe is just telling you that you need to get back to your roots a little bit, heal your inner child, give yourself some time to reconnect with your maybe childhood friends, reconnect with your childhood self. Be kind to yourself. For some people, I just feel that you need to practice affirmations, or you need to be more kinder to yourself. Treat yourself as you would talk to a child. Okay, and be very kind to yourself. Speak positive affirmations, reassure yourself, be there for yourself as you are for other people in your life. And I just feel that once you have healed your inner child a little bit more, automatically whatever big things that you want to manifest, they will start happening very quickly. Okay, so I just feel that you need to Either it could be either of the messages. Either you need to take up some job where you work with children or are around the energy of children, or second message is to heal your inner child so that it brings a lot of prosperity and happiness for you. So yes guys, this was your pick a card reading. I hope that you could relate. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel. I only need a few more followers before I can go live on YouTube, and I would be really excited for that. Thank you so much for watching.